Alright guys, this is a 2014 Honda Civic. I believe it's an LX model. I want to show you how to take off this rear view mirror. There's a few different styles on these Civics, and all the videos on YouTube that I've found did not show me this style. A lot of people say you need to grab a hold of this and twist, counterclockwise or clockwise, whichever one it is. That's not the case with this particular mirror. What I've got here is just a plastic body panel puller. This plastic ring right here, this plastic cover, it just needs to slide down. So you can use pretty much whatever. I just don't want to scrape the glass or anything. I may even just pull it down, I don't know. Sometimes this can be a pain. There we go. There. So you can see, hopefully, we've just slid that piece down. Now, this has two springs here and this little tab. So if you would have tried to really wrench on this and twist it clockwise, you run the risk of breaking this little button. So we don't need that. Oh man. See if I can get that set up like it was. And then so instinctively you'll probably want to squeeze these metal tabs. You don't need to. So just all you're doing is just gently pulling on this black plastic tab. Right here, you could use the little panel puller if you have one. There we go. It's off. Good to go. No twisting. Obviously, to put it back on, line it up. Slide it back all the way down until it snaps, and then just slide your ring back up. So there you go. I'm going to get ready to tint this windshield strip. That's why I wanted to do this video for you guys. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.